Hi, welcome to the Danville Public Library Children's Room. I'm Miss Nancy, and today I'm going to show you how to make a winter wreath snack. Make sure that you go to curbside or come in and pick up your winter wreath craft. It'll come in a paper bag like this with all the directions you need to make a winter wreath craft, and also your reading log. Make sure you're reading so you can get prizes. Just don't bring the log, just come in and tell us that you've been reading, or call and let us know, and we'll have it ready at curbside. So today I'm going to make an edible winter wreath that is super yummy and also nutritious. Healthy food. Some healthy food's really yummy. So you will need an adult for this to help you cut up the apple. I have just used the one of those core slicer where you push down and it makes nice slices like this. The other thing is that unfortunately apples after a while turn brown like this, not so appetizing looking. But I use a lemon lime kind of soda, orange juice or lemon juice, and you just kind of soak your apples in that, and that way they stay nice and white for a long time. Once you have your apples sliced, and I chose green, but you could do this with red as well, you're just going to take a small plate or even just a circle lid, and you're going to make a nice round circle. And you want that beautiful green to show. It may take more than one, and that's okay, you know, or you can just make a smaller wreath if you don't have that many apples. Like I said, I chose to do mine in green, but you could also do this with a red apple. I'm turning it so that you can see the green, so that means that I'm turning it so that all of the skin is up on top. But if you wanted a more white looking wreath, you could turn it so that you can see the flesh side, or the part that has this white side. And once you have it all kind of together in a nice little circle, then you can decorate it with berries. Now I've chosen Red Hots, which are cinnamon flavored, or you could also do it with M&Ms. And you see how now at the Christmas time you can get green M&Ms, so on a red apple those would look really cool. And then you just kind of decorate your little wreath just like with holly berries. You just kind of put some Red Hots all over. Now if you wanted to be super healthy, you could use pomegranate seeds. They make a nice little adornment too. You could take a pineapple that's in chunks and use the triangles to make a little bow. But just kind of see what you have in the cabinet and make something fun and delicious. And then the best part is you can eat it too. Yum! So that's it for today. And make sure that you check this out and all of our other things that we show on YouTube under the Danville Public Library, Facebook, and our webpage. Bye!